Novice Production final. Novice Production final hit. So dito pa rin tayo sa Botolan, Zambales. Second leg of Weltec Motocross 2024. So mga tatakbo dyan: Rayo Ipanag, Sidoy Malificiar, Zan Mamaril, Arbix Brizal, Baby Rat, Christopher Mercado. Sino pang iba dyan? So yan lang po yung nakilala ko. Novice Production. 15 seconds, board is up. 5 seconds. Ayan na. Binitawan na. All shot by. Wow. Arbix Rizal, Baby Rat, Rayo Ipanag, Sidoy Malificiar. Yan, bakbakanay, Novice Production. Wow! Grabe! Rayo Ipanag, nay! Koy! Rayo Ipanag leading, followed by Arbix, Baby Rat, Sidoy Malificiar. Ayan.
We have Rayo Ipanag on the lead.
Rayo Ipanag on the lead.
Arbix Brizal on second. Christopher Mercado on third. Sidoy Malificiar on fourth. San Manuel on fifth.
Arbix Brizal on second. Baby Rat on third. Christopher Mercado on fourth. It's Sidoy Malificiar on fifth. It's San Mamaril. Yan po yung top 5 natin. Top 5. Yan. Oh. Ayan, bakbakanay, Arbix Rizal versus Baby Rat, Christopher Mercado. Ayan, still on the lead. Rayo Ipanag. Yun. Baby Rat versus Arbix. Yan, dikit ang bakbakan. Wow. Yan.
Christopher Mercado and Arbix Brizal. While on fourth position, we have a battle between Sidoy Malificiar
Wow.
and San Manuel.
Second na, Christopher Mercado.
Second, Christopher Mercado now on second.
Second na, Christopher Mercado.
On third.
Yan, dikit ang bakbakan. Ayan, Arbix Brizal na naman on second. Christopher Mercado na naman on third. Grabe, ang ganda ang bakbakan. But still on the lead, Rayo Ipanag. Yan. Uy! Bangon, bangon. Agay ka.
Arbix Brizal.
Sumem lang. Arbix Brizal na, leading. Sumem lang si Rayo. Ayan.
Change position.
Change position. Baby Rat leading. Ayan. Bakbakan na ito na Max. Ayan. Go, go, go. Okay. Christopher Mercado na leading. Followed by Arbix, and third is Zan Mamaril. Fourth, si Doy Malipisyar.
So we have Christopher Mercado on first and a battle for second between Arbix Brizal and Zan Mamaril. Followed by Sedoy Malipisyar
Yan.
and we have Rayo Infanta.
Wow. Christopher Mercado on the lead, Arbix Brizal, si Doy Malipisyar, and Zan Mamaril. Yan. White flag, white flag, white flag.
We are in for the last lap.
White flag, white flag.
Christopher Mercado.
Yan, second na, Zan Mamaril. Third, si Doy Malipisyar. Fourth, Arbix Brizal.
Mamaril. Followed by Sedoy
Ayan.
Malipisyar and Arbix Brizal now on fourth.
Novice Production, last lap, last lap. Last lap, last lap. Yan. Last lap, last lap. Yan, Christopher Mercado leading all the way. Followed by Zan Mamaril. Yan, and then si Doy Malipisyar and Arbix Brizal. So waiting for checkered flag.
Here the checkered flag is a novice production for
Yan.
Christopher Mercado.
Checkered flag.
Followed by 07
Zan Mamaril on second.
and
Third is si Doy Malipisyar.
Malipisyar.
Arbix Brizal and Rayo.
Coming in on fourth, Arbix Brizal.
Yan. Checkered flag na po tayo guys. Checkered flag na po tayo. Checkered flag.
And for the fifth position, bike number 8 is Rayo Infanta.
Checkered flag. Checkered. Champion, I think it's Christopher Mercado. Yan. So thank you for watching guys. Please share this video. So thank you.